Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to do a DIY centerpiece using all Dollar Tree items except for this. So these are bride to be cake toppers I made. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use yet. I just made them in two different sizes, so I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use. And then I have these that I'm gonna use probably for fillers. I got these from Hobby Lobby, some kind of funny looking flower type things. But anyway, so I have this paper towel holder. I have this wreath form. It was initially green. I painted it silver. I have these flowers. I have these little ring things. I showed y'all these in one of my videos. It's the shot glass rings, and I have one of these, and I've already painted it as well. And I have bling wrap, and I have these styrofoam discs. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my styrofoam disc onto my thing. It's two I'm in a pack, and I'm going to use both of them just for the height purposes. So I'm just going to put them on there and push it down like that. So I have that on there. I'm also going to put a little glue on here just to hold these two together. I really didn't do a good job at centering these. So that's that, right? All right, and then I'm going to, so I already pressed this on here because I just wanted to make sure it'll fit, because this is going to sit on here like this. Yeah, it's going to sit on like that. So since that's going to be the top part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my, because this is a ring. This represents a ring. And I have my diamond. This is going to be the diamond. So I'm just going to press it down. Can't press it while it's on there. I'm just going to press it down like that. All right, so that's where that's going to go, and this is the bottom part. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to wrap. I don't know what's up with my bling wrap. So I'm going to adjust my camera so you guys can see. So I am going to wrap the bling wrap all the way around. Of course, I'm going to leave a space here and here so I can put it on. So I'm just going to put a little glue here. I'm going to start it on the inside like so, and I'm just going to wrap it all the way around. I'm going to put a little glue every so often. I'm going to continue to wrap it all the way around, and once I have it wrapped, I will be back. Alright, I am back, and I have blinged it out all the way around. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue in the little hole we left for our ring. Put some glue down in there, and I'm going to stick it down in there. So clearly I didn't push it down far enough. You can see this, so I'm going to go back in probably and put some bling wrap around there or something. I don't know. I'm going to do something to that. So let's see. Probably could do that now. So I'm just going to cut off a few strips. And yeah, I'm just going to glue that around. Actually, I need a longer strip, so I'm gonna do it the long way. So of course, if you make this same thing, if you push that down a little further in there, you can like avoid this step, because you see where it's sticking up right there. So I'm just gonna put some glue on here and just wrap a strip around it to cover that up, because I don't want to see that. I'm really heavy-handed with the glue. Really, really. All right. So I just put a strip of glue around that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this on, right? So again, we're going to put glue down in there and stick it on like that. Okay. So that's what that looks like. I didn't realize my camera wasn't. So that's what it looks like so far. So now we're just gonna add our flowers to the bottom. I think it's kind of lopsided. It's like it's not sitting flat. All right, so we're just gonna add our flowers to the bottom. No particular order or anything like that. We'll add some of the green leaves as well. We're just gonna cut them and stick them in. So again, I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree, right? I don't like that. Let's try these. So I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree because I was just trying to do a Dollar Tree DIY project. But depending on what you're going for, you probably want to get flowers from somewhere else, depending on the type of look you're going for or whatever, because these are nice flowers. They're nice colors. But I feel like if you just use Dollar Tree flowers, you need a lot more to make it full, right? So versus if you like get flowers from Amazon or Hobby Lobby or Michael's or anywhere, like the more fuller flowers. So that's the only thing, that's the only issue I have with like the Dollar Tree flowers. You just have to use so many to make it full. But these are very pretty. The colors are pretty. So these are like my sister's wedding colors, kind of, sort of. Yeah, they are. Her colors are, I can't remember the names of the colors. But these are her colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick all the flowers down in, you know, just rotate, not rotate, just different ones, because I have this one and I have this one. So I'm just going to stick all the flowers down there and then I'll be back. All right, so here it is with all the flowers. I think I need to get some more because it's not as full as I would like it. There's a few gaps in there that I want to fill in. So I definitely need to get more. And I think I'm going to use this bride to be when it's a little bigger than this one. I probably should have made this even bigger. So I'm going to use this one for now, which I will probably make a bigger one. So I'm just going to peel off the tape. So when I order my acrylic, it comes with this masking tape on it already. So I'm just going to peel the tape off. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to get more flowers. That's why I was saying earlier about flowers. Like, you should probably, if you're going to use a lot of flowers, and depending on the look you're going for, it'll probably be better if you get them from somewhere like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, maybe Amazon, or, you know, any other craft store, somewhere that sells like flowers, a lot of flowers. Because although these flowers are pretty, you need a lot to make it look full. So, but that's what it looked like. And then I think I have some bling over here somewhere, some adhesive strips. I'm going to I should have already took this dang on tape off. I got some adhesive strips. I'm gonna add them to the top of the little ring thingamajigger, just to give it a little, because it looks so plain right now. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with that. I definitely should already have this to go. And again, I made this cake topper. I made it with my glow force this morning. I designed it in Silhouette Studio, so I have that video up if y'all want to see that. But so, and I might need to use maybe silver. I don't know, because you really can't see it. You don't want to stick down in there, but I need it to stick down in. I don't want to, you can't glue it in. I don't want to glue it in because I might use it for something else as well. So that's that. So now I'm going to get my bling wrap and I'm going to try to add it to the top and see what that looks like. Alright, so I'm back. And this is just some that I had left over. I think this came from Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure it did. And I'm just going to like put it down. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'm just gonna try that on the little sides of it. So I'm gonna do this all the way around and then I'll be back. All right, so this is what it looks like finished. Right, so I added some bling around the top of this, you know, so it wouldn't look so plain. So I added bling, and that came from Hobby Lobby. It's the Paper Studios brand. So I added that. I'm definitely going to get more flowers because I feel like it's not as full as I want it to be. And I may even change out this to maybe silver or a different color acrylic. But that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.